Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Tasty Meal by Stacy. Today we are making a very special dish. We are making meatloaf. It's one of my husband's favorite dishes because it reminds him of his mom. So I wanted to make this dish for him and for you all. Let's go ahead and put this dish together. For this dish, we're going to be using 2 pounds of ground beef. I always prefer to get the 80 or 85% because it has more fat in it. So we don't want the meat to be too dry and that way the meatloaf come out nice and juicy. What we're going to do, we're going to start by pre-cooking the onion. We're going to saute the onion and we're going to be using half of a large size yellow onion. We're going to go ahead and cut it. Let's go ahead and chop the onion very small, nice and small. We're going to saute the onion because this is going in with the ground beef. Let's go ahead and put about a tablespoon and a half of oil. Let's put the onion. Move it around. Let's go ahead and make sure that we mince this garlic as much as we can. And that's going to go in with the onion. The garlic's going in. I have 5 cloves of garlic. We're just going to let it cook for 2 more minutes so that the garlic flavor mixes with the onion flavor. We're going to do 3 eggs. Green onion. Persley, Culantro, and Cilantro. Garlic and herb seasoning, a tablespoon. About a quarter of a teaspoon of salt. Half a tablespoon of oregano. A tablespoon of paprika, our Latin flavor seasoning, the chicken cube. Oh, it's awesome. I also want to be putting in half a cup of milk. Half a cup of breadcrumb. Now let's go ahead and mix it together. Your hands are your best friends right here on this kind of dishes, so don't be shy. Use your hands. Mix it well, but don't overdo it because then the meat is going to get dry. So we have to keep that in mind. When we are doing ground beef or any ground pork, ground turkey, we have to be careful how long we mix it around, because then the texture change and the meat becomes dry. Remember the onion and garlic? There you go. It's going in. Let's mix it together. We're going to be putting about a quarter of a cup of Parmesan cheese. I'm making this dish in a special way using my mother-in-law recipe and my own recipe, my Latin recipe. So my husband should love it, and I think you guys should too if you try it. Let's not be shy about trying different dishes and recipe. Seasoning up to taste. Now we're gonna cover this dish and let it sit for about 15 minutes. We're going to be using kielbasa and we're going to be using mushroom for the filler and also cheese. So right now what I did, I just cut it this kielbasa and also the mushroom, and we're going to pre-cook this. This is hickory kielbasa, guys. The smoke flavor into this is going to just boost up the beautiful flavor on the meatloaf. So let's go ahead and pre-cook this. Let's go ahead with the mushroom. Oh, that is awesome. We're going to go ahead and put the kielbasa right away. Just put it together. Let's go ahead and sprinkle a little lemon pepper. You can see all that water is the mushroom, which is normal. So I will bring it to medium high so that will dry faster and it will cook faster. So we don't want to overcook it because it's going in the oven later. Let's go ahead and start making the meatloaf, putting it together. So let's go ahead by flatten. I didn't have parching paper, so I ended up using the aluminum foil. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just trying to spread it nice and flat. Go ahead, smooth it down. Oh, that looks so good, and it smells awesome, guys. All those herbs, nice fresh from our garden, which I'm gonna show you one of these days. My husband actually went today, and he was the one picking the Persley and the cilantro for me. This is my husband getting the Persley for this beautiful dish today. Thank you, baby.
Here you go, sweetie.
Nice fresh Persley. And the flavor of the kielbasa and the mushroom is definitely gonna make this dish go boom. This is gonna be a wow dish for my husband. Let's make sure that we put all the stuffing right, kind of like all inside. We want to leave the edges of the meatloaf, but none of that, so that when we are ready to wrap it, it will go nice and smooth. The oven is already preheated. I just hear it going off on 350 degrees. So let's put some cheese now. And this is optional, guys. Some of us just loved the challenge. Some of us just like the flavor of the cheese and the contract of different meat together. So my husband hasn't eaten it like this. I think he's gonna love it. Okay, look at that. Look how beautiful, guys. Now it's time to go ahead, nice and easy, and we're gonna start rolling it up. Okay, just go ahead, easy. You can actually start using your hands by now if you want, but you have to be very careful so it won't break. If you're not sure, let's keep going with the paper. Go in, tie it up. This is a 2-pound meatloaf, so it's huge. Let's make sure we close the ends, both. We don't want the stuffing to come out. Oh, the smell of this is wonderful, guys. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it. It looks awesome, guys. This is perfect. Make sure you close the ends of the paper so that nothing comes out, nothing drips out. And now we are proceeding to put it in the oven for 35 minutes. Okay, guys, for the sauce, for the meatloaf, we are going to be using 3 ounces of ketchup. I'm going to be putting a 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar, a tablespoon of hickory smoked barbecue sauce, Oh, that is just, that's the key. I mean, that is going to give a hint of flavor to this sauce. I love the hickory flavors. I hope you guys do. And we're going to be pouring around a teaspoon of vinegar. And we're going to go ahead and mix it. Guys, this sauce is just going to put that touch of sweet and tangy to that meatloaf, and it's going to be delicious. So let's go ahead, put it aside. The meatloaf came out awesome. Look at that, guys. I just think it's beautiful. So let's just go ahead and hug this sauce over the meatloaf so that we get that beautiful color and the sweetness goes everywhere. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, let's go ahead and put it back in the oven. Now we're going to put it in the oven for about 15 minutes. Well, guys, look at this meatloaf. It looks awesome. It came out perfect. Definitely, it looks good. Wow, look at that. It's beautiful. Let's go ahead and do some cutting and see how it looks and how it tastes. Let's see. I just cut it one piece. Let's take another one. Ooh, this is awesome. I think my husband is gonna love it. Wow, this came out so good. Let's go ahead and put a little extra sauce. Oh, wow. Meatloaf with love. Meatloaf with love. Definitely awesome, guys. Hey guys, let's try the meatloaf. It came out so good. Meatloaf. Ooh, look at the piece. Oh my god. The meat is so beautiful and soft. Wow. Mmm. This dish came out super good. I'm so proud of myself because I have done it before, but this one is a plus because I use my own recipe and my mother-in-law's recipe to surprise my husband. And guys, I made this vegetable, which you won't see in this video, but I will make sure I post this video of the vegetable that came out so good, super easy to make. I appreciate you being here. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like and share my videos, and I will see you in the next video. Let's eat.